Hello and welcome back to Phone Transformer. In today's video, I'll explain how to stop roaming on Android so you can avoid extra charges and control your mobile data usage. This guide is simple and works on most Android phones. Now let's get started. Step 1, open the Settings app on your Android phone. This is where all network and connection options are managed. Step 2, tap on SIM and network settings depending on your phone model. This section handles mobile networks, Wi-Fi, and data settings. Step 3, tap on SIM card settings. This option shows details related to your SIM and carrier. It is important because roaming is linked directly to your SIM network. Step 4, find the data roaming option in the menu. This setting allows your phone to use other networks outside your carrier's coverage. Roaming can cause extra charges if left enabled. Step 5, toggle off data roaming. Once turned off, your phone will stop using mobile data on other networks. This helps you avoid unexpected roaming fees when traveling. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe to the Phone Transformer channel for more helpful Android tips.